इस वीडियो में हम बात करते हैं ब्रूसिस इज इजीली फाउंड फॉर्म ऑन एब्डोमिनल वाल द फाइन फ्रोथ एट द माउथ एंड नोज इज पैथोजोनोमिक ऑफ ड्रोनिंग cutis angina or groove skin has no valve as diagnostic sign of death from drowning. Red velvety appearance of stomach mucosa is typically seen in arsenic poisoning. Meal leads white band on the base nails of the fingers seen in arsenic poisoning. Pinpoint pupil are seen in carbolic acid poisoning, opium and organophosphate poisoning as pontine hemorrhage. Brush burn or graze abrasion is caused by the frictional force of rubbing skin against rough surface. Brush burn or graze abrasion is a resemble burn. Graze known as sliding, scarping or grinding abrasion. Garlic color is seen in arsenic poisoning. Fruity odor is seen in ethyl alcohol. Kerosene-like odor is seen in kerosene organophosphate. Phenolic odor is seen in carbolic acid. Burnt rope is seen in cannabis. Bitter almond is seen in cyanide. Fishy odor is seen in zinc phosphide. In firearm entry wound in skull, outer table of skull a clean colored hole. In firearm entry wound in skull, inner table of skull a beaded opening. Contact range of gunshot. Entrance wound with grey-black dye discoloration from the burnt powder. Tandem or piggyback bullets are bullets ejected one after the other when the first bullet, having been stuck in the barrel, failed to leave the barrel and is ejected by the subsequently fired bullet. Dedum bullet is jacket bullet whose nose is cut off to exposure code. Ricochet bullet is resolute bullet in which before striking the object aim strike some intervene object first and then after re-ejecting and rebounding from it the object. Hyoid fracture is common in troglodyte. Blue color of the bruise is due to deoxyhemoglobin. Red color of the bruises is due to hemoglobin. Dark and blue-brown color of the bruise is due to hemosiderin. Yellow color of the bruise is due to bilirubin. अब बात करते हैं हम color of the bruise in return to normal is 14 to 15 days. Debriding of saliva is seen in a case of hanging and thoracic lymph contain clotting factors. Vitamin K dependent clotting factor is 2, 7, 9 and 10. Remember as IN72 and IN72 and O within exam. Site of benign prostate hyperplasia transition pre-urethral zone. Site of prostate carcinoma of peripheral zone. Root spot are seen in infection of endocarditis. Koplik spot in the feature of measles. Negri bodies are most often found in hippocampus. Negri bodies are associated with rabies virus, marker of yolk sac tumor, alpha fetoprotein, duodenal ulcer, hemorrhage due to gastroduodenal artery. Young comes to you for the counseling, best suggestion for karyotyping. Liver abscess, space occupying lesion caused by E. histologica. Donor graft rejection, cytotoxic T cell, normal flora of intestine, E. coli. Tennis player, greenish color of discharge due to pseudomonas. Pneumonia and foul smelling sputum is due to anaerobic pneumonia or chocolate color sputum is due to Klebsiella. Pernicious anemia, red beefy red tongue, Kawasaki disease. Kawasaki disease, strawberry tongue, crushing syndrome, moon face appearance, and buffalo hump. Rose spot in the abdomen is seen in typhoid fever. Rose spot abdomen is seen in typhoid fever. Basilar skull fracture. Raccoon eyes are probital echomin. Most specific tumor marker of prostate process specific antigen P PSA.